Boys, I'm in the editing room right now for the video that you're about to watch. I just watched back everything I said in it. I'm gonna say later in this video, once you start to watch and we start it, that I'm not editing it for certain reasons. Let me know how you like it. I come off crazy when I don't edit out all the crap that I generally say. Everything's all over the place, but I think it's kind of a cool style. So let me know, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to this, and the first clip of this video, when it actually starts, pay attention. It's a big thing. Probably gonna say it right away. Okay, bye. Boys, before we get started with this video, I have something very serious to bring up, so guys, just listen for a second. I know it's hard sometimes at the beginning of videos because I talk too much, but boys, I just bought a casting of a real Sasquatch footprint on eBay for like a bad amount of money, and the video's ready to go. I was gonna post it today, but I thought I gotta ask you guys if you're down for it first. Like, I really want this thing to get views, so what I'm doing is like hyping it up right now. Anyway, boys, the amount of likes down below will tell me if I put out that video or not. It's a Sasquatch footprint, boys. This is crazy. Anyway, back in action. We're back in the action. I'm very excited about it, though. Alright, man, not gonna lie to you, this video is gonna be like pretty lightly edited this time because I just got a lot of sunstroke on the weekend. I feel awful. Looking at the computer's gonna make me puke. But appreciate you guys for being back. I think we're pretty much just gonna one take this one. As always, boys, if you want a thumbs up, comment down below and just help out the channel in that way. That's awesome. Also, once again, this Sasquatch unboxing is sick. We need to do it. You guys know I'm nuts about this stuff. I love aliens and I love Sasquatch. So we're gonna make that happen. What else do we have to say? Quick ad from our sponsors. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Me. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the quality's not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family, brands for the boys, and that's why NameBran Fam is a thing. Cool, boys. I didn't really actually want to do another rapper jewelry unboxing, but you guys have been asking for this so long, and the reason I said yes is 1, because you guys asked, but 2, has to do with NLE Choppa. Now, I've been getting into this guy so much lately. I actually love most of his music, except, like, especially, like, the really hard rap stuff. Favorite song, probably. Sorry, this is, I told you guys, one take. Favorite song probably is, like, Catch Me Grappin'? Is that what it is? Catch Me Grappin' right now. Anyone that can rap over a Tupac beat and not ruin it, in my mind, is dope. So that's my favorite song. You guys let me know what you think about NLE Choppa down below. You guys must love him, because everyone's been asking me to unbox this jewelry piece that is pretty much an exact replica of the one he actually wears. I'm excited for this one, once again, because I'm a huge fan, and also this piece, you guys know, I don't wear fake jewelry. We unbox it a lot, but I like to kind of like earn my own jewelry kind of thing, like the real stuff. This piece right here as a supporter, it doesn't look too crazy. I'm looking at it right now, but I haven't seen it. I just saw it online. It doesn't look too big where it's like flashy, you know what I mean? I actually would probably wear it, which is crazy. There's not many rappers that do that with. Like Nick Caution, you guys, I've been saying it forever, is my favorite rapper. He's just some kid out in New York that doesn't flex much. I feel like if he put out some jewelry, like merch, I would probably wear it because it'd just be small. Kind of like this one. It's just not too crazy. You don't look like an asshole. It's not like you're wearing some 6'9" sharp chain to support. You're wearing a cool little pendant. Without further ado, here's NLE Choppa's exact replica, hopefully, of his most famous chain, probably. That's it, boys. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I think I did that one take. That's so crazy. Cool. Sorry guys, I just can't edit today. I haven't looked at my computer in 2 days. Can't do it. It's the lights. I might have a seizure if I do it. It's scary. Alright, boys, so here's the package right here. I'm trying to cover up my address, which is why it's scrunched up. One thing I also do want to say, like, yeah, I can't really edit right now. I feel awful. I've been puking from sun, but also I didn't want to say it, but I have to be real to you guys. It's like when we're doing these one-take videos, I feel like I just speak my mind. Well, I always do, but generally I cut it out. Today I'm not cutting anything else out. I'm running out of time for editing as well. Puking's not an excuse. I'd edit any other time, but also I got my COVID vaccine in a couple hours. Don't make this political, boys. I just want to go see my friends again and do hood rat stuff with them, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do what I have to do. But yeah, I got that to get to you right away. Editing's gonna be pretty short on this one. What else was I gonna say? I think that's it. Boys, let's get into it. This is from a company I don't want to name because they didn't pay me. Nobody pays me, and I know I give them a lot of sales. It's that one right there. We're not gonna say the actual. You know what? You guys might want to buy it. It's Hello Ice, all right? Yeah. I mean, I know I won't say how much I made him, but when I made that Supreme Patty video, it got a lot of views. But let me just tell you, he made a lot, and I've got a lot of companies hitting me up being like, when you post a video on us, we spike up in sales. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm trying to make money out of that a little bit, or at least put me on commission, guys. Anyway, bang, right there. We got this thing, we got that. I don't know. We don't really care about the bag. It says a name on it too. The black on black on the bag's kind of sick, actually. Let's go though. I've been stoked for this, actually. Like, I'm getting a little tired of the jewelry stuff, as you guys know, so I'm bringing up the Sasquatch video. We're gonna start to unbox some real weird stuff now, later on, I guess, that I'm really into. I really just want to start unboxing what I want. But this one I was stoked for. What the hell? There's 2 things in here. There's 2. Let's go! Oh! Alright, it just came with a crappy little chain. Boys, if we get 1,000 likes within the day on this video, I'll give this chain away. Actually, no. I'll give you a real silver chain. We'll also give away this pendant that we haven't seen yet. And just please be ready for the Sasquatch video, boys. You know, I should not edit more often. We're already at 2 minutes. It's hard to make it to 8 minutes, boys, because 8 minutes means you get a little more money. You can place ads in your video. I don't do it for the money, but money's great. We all know that. A lot of YouTubers front like they don't care at all. Of course we care. Money's great. Anyway, let's go. Okay, so one thing I can edit right now, I think I'll have time for this, and God, hopefully I don't seizure out of puking at looking at my screen. But this is the picture of NLE Choppa wearing his chain. Let's check this one. Is his gold though? Because this one's gold. Boys, there she is. This is more of a vlog. Who cares about the jewelry? Just listen to me talk bullshit for oh, now I have to fucking edit that. Okay, here we go. Spiraling, boys. Here's NLE Choppa's. I'm gonna put the picture up on the side right there of him wearing it, and this one. Looking at it in person now, it's not exact. Like, it's quite close. It's quite exact, but I think his has diamonds all over it. Nonetheless, what I was saying, we got the diamonds there, but here we don't. Nonetheless, this is one of those pieces where I was saying I would actually not put it around this chain, but like a light gold chain like this came with. I'd probably wear it to support. I think it's super cool. It looks cool. You don't gotta flex like it's real or anything like that. It's just kind of a nice, I don't know, like people wear merch shirts of their favorite rappers, or like sneakers, or like slides that they put out. I don't know why you wouldn't just kind of wear their merch. Although he didn't make this one. He did a collaboration with Shop GL. No, who did he do a collaboration with? He did a collaboration with King Ice. If you guys really want to support him, maybe buy that one and not this one where he's making no money off it. There it is, boys. I mean, I don't know what else you want me to tell you. I just, when I get enough requests to show you guys a pendant, I gotta do it. I know NLE Choppa's popping right now too, so honestly putting him in the title doesn't hurt. But that's it. I diamond tested, but I can't. I broke it again. We've gone through 10, although this time wasn't out of rage. It was out of just like battery dying, so I don't think it's broken. I just don't buy batteries, and nobody ever has batteries in their house. It's like one of those things. So you have this battery? No. Nobody, if you're carrying a ton of batteries in your house, well, I got a little stoned before this video, my bad, which I don't know if you should do before the facts, but whatever. Batteries, I was on a battery tangent. Anyway, boys, there she is. It's a cool piece. Like I say, something I actually would wear. I think they did well on it. I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't have diamonds all over it, but that's cool. That actually makes me more inclined to wear this thing, because I'm not like actually trying to pretend I have diamond jewelry. It's just like, no, it's just like, it's his no love thing. I don't know. It's NLE Choppa, I like him, don't question me, and I'm wearing it. Anyway, boys, that's it. There's your review. Yeah, I'm gonna drop that Sasquatch video super soon if you guys are really down for it. If you're not down and I don't think it's gonna get views, I probably just won't. No, I'll drop it 100%. Well, I'm just trying to amp it up right now, excite y'all. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. I gotta dip real soon. Get this video up to you guys. Y'all rock. American the Game, the greatest of all time. Let me know also, if you made it this far, let me know, one, how you made it this far by putting, I don't know, and in cap lock in the comments, but also, you guys, maybe I could do more videos of just like not cutting out as many things. I'm a talker, boys. I'm a talker, especially to a camera. There's nobody in this room with me. When you have an audience, I'm actually talking to you guys. So maybe I just won't cut out all the crap that I say in videos and shorten it for no reason. Even though this video wasn't even about the goddamn chain, I'm just talking. I love marijuana. No, I don't promote it, but it helps my anxiety. Appreciate it, I'll buy. Oh, easy. Cool.